was a stormy day. Dark clouds gathered, the wind howled, lightning flashed, and thunder boomed. As the storm rumbled and shook, something wonderful happened in the clouds. A raindrop was born. With a little gasp and a big smile, the raindrop began to fall. "I'm alive!" he shouted. He felt like he was flying as he whizzed down through the clouds. He was the happiest raindrop in the whole wide world. Then suddenly, he had a terrible thought that he was falling instead of flying. As he thought about falling, the raindrop's happiness vanished. He began to worry about crashing into a rock, or a road, or a field, or a house. And so he fell, afraid of what might happen to him. He missed out on the fun of skimming through the clouds. He missed out on the joy of riding on the wind. He missed out on the excitement of racing with other raindrops. He missed out on everything. Down, down, down he fell, sad and scared and alone. Then he saw something glowing bright on the ground far below. It was a roaring campfire, and the raindrop crashed right into it. For a few moments, nothing happened. Then a tiny cloud appeared. The little raindrop had become a wisp of steam. He had become light and airy, and like all wisps of steam, he began rising. And as he rose, he knew he would join the clouds and become a raindrop once again.